Welcome to World Alert Updates. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. The headlines screamed across Asia, echoing through newsrooms and living rooms from Manila to Tokyo, and reverberating in the corridors of power in Beijing and Washington. The news sent shockwaves rippling across the globe, from the heart of China's capital to the halls of the White House, as leaders scrambled to understand the implications of this sudden shift in the balance of power. Manila's secret weapon, blared one headline, hinting at a game-changing development that no one had seen coming. The fisherman's sting, Philippines unveils drone that hides in plain sight, declared another, capturing the imagination of military analysts and ordinary citizens alike. A seemingly ordinary fleet of Filipino fishing boats, known locally as bankas, was spotted moving in tight, deliberate formation near the contested waters of Scarborough Shoal, an area long fraught with tension and territorial disputes. But these were no ordinary fishermen. Their faces were set with determination, their eyes scanning the horizon with a sense of purpose that went far beyond the daily catch. They moved with a strange, synchronized precision that immediately caught the attention of satellite analysts thousands of miles away, who began to realize that something unprecedented was unfolding on the waves. What the world was witnessing was the public debut of a revolutionary new defense system. Imagine the scene, a network of hidden technology, seamlessly integrated into the daily life of the sea, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. A massive foreign Coast Guard vessel, bristling with authority, approaches a cluster of what appear to be humble fishing boats, expecting an easy show of dominance. The captain orders a warning pass, fully expecting the small boats to scatter in fear, but to his surprise, they hold their ground. Instead, the bankas turn in perfect unison, their outriggers slicing through the waves with unwavering steadiness, a silent message of defiance and unity. This is the new reality in the South China Sea, brought about by the Philippines' groundbreaking Bangka X program, a bold initiative that has transformed the nation's maritime strategy. The Philippines has ingeniously turned what was once its greatest vulnerability, its scattered fishing fleet, into its most formidable strength, creating a network of eyes and ears across the contested waters. Now, differentiating a real fishing boat from a disguised military drone is a nearly impossible task for any potential adversary. Each vessel could be a simple fishing craft, or it could be a high-tech surveillance platform, ready to relay critical information at a moment's notice. This brilliant act of camouflage has created what some are calling a ghost fleet, a force that can appear anywhere and everywhere at once, sowing uncertainty and caution among even the most powerful navies. Against all odds, the Philippines has managed to level the playing field in the South China Sea, demonstrating that innovation and courage can rewrite the rules of power in one of the world's most contested regions. At its heart, the Bangka X is a masterclass in strategic deception. It is not just a vessel, but a carefully crafted illusion, designed to operate in the shadows and exploit the expectations of any would-be adversary. On the surface, it looks exactly like a traditional Filipino bangka. Its wooden hull, slender outriggers, and familiar paintwork are indistinguishable from the thousands of boats that dot the Philippine coastline. It is designed to blend in perfectly with the thousands of identical boats that are the lifeblood of coastal communities across the archipelago. These boats are a daily sight, carrying fishermen to sea at dawn and returning with the day's catch, forming the backbone of local economies and traditions. This disguise is its primary weapon. By hiding in plain sight, the Bangka X can move freely, its true capabilities masked by its unassuming appearance. An adversary's surveillance systems are programmed to look for the sleek, gray hulls of military warships. They scan the horizon for obvious threats, relying on patterns and profiles that have defined naval warfare for decades. The Bangka X simply does not register as a threat. It slips through the cracks, overlooked and underestimated, while more conspicuous targets draw attention. The military advantage this provides is immense. In a world where information and perception are as important as firepower, invisibility is a powerful asset. The Bangka X can be used for a wide range of missions without ever raising suspicion. It can shadow enemy vessels, gather intelligence, or simply wait for the perfect moment to act, all while appearing to be just another fishing boat. It can conduct persistent, close-range surveillance on foreign vessels. Its operators can observe, record, and relay information in real time, providing critical intelligence that would be impossible to gather with a conventional warship. In a conflict scenario, it can be deployed as a decoy, drawing enemy fire away from more valuable assets. By mimicking the appearance and behavior of ordinary boats, it can confuse and mislead opponents, buying precious time for friendly forces. Most potently, it can be configured as an unmanned surface vessel, or USV, capable of delivering a payload. Whether used for reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or even as a platform for offensive operations, the Banca X's versatility is unmatched. The idea of a swarm of these seemingly harmless boats suddenly revealing their true purpose is a nightmare scenario for any naval planner. In an instant, the balance of power can shift, as the enemy is forced to confront threats they never saw coming. The Banca X project argues for a different approach, one rooted in asymmetric warfare. It challenges traditional notions of naval power, proving that innovation and cunning can level the playing field against even the most advanced adversaries. It leverages the Philippines' unique maritime environment and cultural landscape as a force multiplier. The archipelago's vast, island-dotted waters and the deep connection of its people to the sea make it the perfect setting for such unconventional tactics. The Banca X is the physical embodiment of that philosophy, a silent guardian hiding in plain sight, ready to defend its home waters with ingenuity and stealth. In the ever-evolving chess game of maritime security, sometimes the most powerful piece is the one you never see coming. At first glance, the Banca X appears to be nothing more than a traditional wooden fishing boat, blending seamlessly with the countless vessels that dot the coastline. Its exterior is intentionally kept simple and unassuming, designed to avoid drawing attention and to move unnoticed among local maritime traffic. But step inside, and you'll discover a world of cutting-edge innovation. The interior of the Banca X is packed with state-of-the-art technology, transforming this humble-looking craft into a marvel of modern engineering. Hidden beneath the wooden deck is a waterproof, composite material compartment. This secure chamber houses the vessel's most advanced systems, protecting them from the harsh marine environment and ensuring reliable operation in all conditions. At the heart of the Banca X is a sophisticated hybrid electric engine, engineered for both efficiency and versatility. For long-distance travel, or when endurance is needed, the boat relies on a quiet, conventional diesel engine. This tried-and-tested technology provides the range and reliability required for extended missions at sea. However, when the mission demands speed or absolute stealth, the Banca X can instantly switch to a near-silent electric motor. This motor is powered by high-density lithium-ion batteries, allowing the vessel to glide through the water almost undetected. These advanced batteries are recharged in two ways, by the diesel engine during operation, and by flexible solar panels mounted on the deck. This dual charging system ensures the Banca X can remain operational for extended periods without needing to return to port. The true intelligence of the vessel lies in its onboard AI-powered command and control system. This digital brain manages navigation, power distribution, and mission parameters, adapting in real time to changing conditions at sea. A sophisticated suite of sensors, ranging from radar and sonar to environmental scanners, allows the Banca X to perceive its surroundings, avoid obstacles, and detect threats, even in challenging weather or low-visibility conditions. Communication is another key pillar of its design, ensuring the vessel can stay connected no matter where it operates. The Banca X is equipped with a multi-layered communications suite, capable of handling everything from routine updates to mission-critical data transfers. For standard operations, it uses a secure satellite link, providing global coverage and encrypted channels for sensitive information. But when stealth is paramount, the vessel can switch to a line-of-sight, encrypted radio link, dramatically reducing its electronic signature and making it nearly invisible to electronic surveillance. This remarkable adaptability, blending traditional design with futuristic technology, is what truly sets the Banca X apart, making it a formidable presence on the water and a testament to the power of innovation. The Banca X is more than just a clever piece of military hardware, it is a profound expression of Filipino identity. The project was born from a simple yet powerful idea. What if we took something quintessentially Filipino, the Banca, and merged it with the technology of the future? Engineers spent months living in coastal villages, learning from fishermen who have generations of knowledge about the sea. This traditional knowledge was then integrated with modern engineering principles. The project has been a source of immense pride for the local engineers and shipwrights who brought it to life. Instead of relying on foreign consultants, the entire project was led by Filipinos. This has fostered a powerful sense of ownership and national achievement. The introduction of the Banca X drone is forcing a fundamental rethink of naval strategy. Traditional naval power has always been built around a platform-centric model. But the Banca X challenges this model with a network-centric approach. This shift creates a strategic dilemma for any potential aggressor. How do you counter a fleet of hundreds of small, disguised drones without escalating a situation into a major conflict? This constant ambiguity creates hesitation and slows down an adversary's decision-making process. This new reality also forces a shift in defensive thinking. The Banca X imposes a strategic cost on potential aggressors before a single shot is even fired. The unveiling of the Banca X has ignited a powerful wave of national pride across the Philippines. The project's impact on job creation and the local economy is significant and growing. The program has created a new high-tech defense industry ecosystem within the country. Beyond the high-tech jobs, it has provided a major boost to traditional industries. This initiative is also having a profound effect on the nation's youth. The story of the local engineers who designed the Banca X is inspiring a new generation of students to pursue STEM. The Banca X has made science and technology feel relevant and patriotic. The sentiment on the ground is one of cautious optimism and fierce pride. Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro stated, "The Banca X is not a weapon of aggression. It is a tool of active defense, a symbol of our resolve to protect what is rightfully ours." Commander Isabella Reyes offered a more technical perspective. The real genius of this system is its scalability and affordability. From the perspective of the operators, the system is a game changer. Petty Officer Marcos Santos shared his experience. "We are the ghosts in the machine, and it gives us a quiet confidence." To understand the true power of the Banca X, consider a plausible future scenario. Tensions are high in the South China Sea. A foreign naval flotilla makes an aggressive move towards a Philippine-held reef. The foreign commander sees dozens of fishing boats in the area, dismissing them as normal maritime traffic. As the flotilla approaches the reef, the Philippine Command Center activates the swarm. 50 Banca X drones receive their orders. The foreign commander suddenly finds his tactical picture becoming fuzzy and unreliable. The swarm does not need to fire a single missile to win. The Banca X project is more than a military innovation. It signals a fundamental shift in the Philippine national psyche. It marks the beginning of a new era defined by self-reliance and creative problem-solving. The Banca X demonstrates a bold new path forward, developing homegrown solutions that are affordable and sustainable. This move away from expensive, off-the-shelf foreign systems towards smart, cost-effective local solutions is a blueprint for the future. The success of the Banca X is fostering a culture of innovation that extends far beyond the defense sector. The project has unlocked a belief that Filipino ingenuity can solve the nation's most pressing challenges. In conclusion, the humble fishing boat drone is a powerful metaphor for the modern Philippines. The ghost fleet is rising, and with it, the spirit of a nation.